Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm doing an unboxing of my May Julep box. So if you're interested in seeing what came in my May box, stick around. Okay, it comes packaged every month the same way, purple, the same inside. They always have it wrapped real neatly. Feeling all bright. They're showing you the new colors for the summer or spring, whichever. And they're showing you that they have some new golden hour. These are blushes, stick blushes. Can't wait to try those out. Excuse me. Okay, in my deal today, I got a blush in the color of rose gold. Guys, look at that color. Look at that. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that on camera. I don't know if it does it justice. That is gorgeous. That's a blush. Can't wait to try that one. And then the next thing I received is the eye gel. I love their pencils. I mean, when I say they're going smooth and they last forever, I really mean that. I always get them in the color of the black, the deepest black they have. And this black color, without my glasses. But here is the pencil. It goes on so smooth. I've had two of these before in the charcoal black. And then the last thing I have in my box is a mask. I can't wait to try this. This is the Natural Bio Cellulose Gel Sheet Mask. So I'm going to try this. It has in it the 3 steps for you to do. They're included in here. This is 1, 2, and 3. So here is an enhancing gel. Here is the mask. And then here is a sleeping pad. It's like a night cream to put on. So I can't wait to try this, guys, to see if I really like this product. So this is the things that I received today in my Julep box. The pencil and this blush, stick blush. I really like their containers on their products. They are really gorgeous. And then the face mask. So guys, this is Stephanie. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that subscribe button link down below. And also guys, there's a notification bell in the upper right corner. If you click that bell, it will let you know every time I upload a video. Also follow me on my social media accounts. They will be listed at the end of this video. And also guys, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me saying, as always, you guys be blessed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on my social media accounts, Facebook, Pinterest, Google+, and my website, Creatively Miss Me, Creatively_Miss Me for Instagram. And guys, as always, you be blessed.